Hey, my name is Dakota Crawford, and this game is called Horseshoe Toss to a Target, and is for grades 6th through 9th, and is a lead-up game to horseshoes. For Horseshoe Toss to a Target, you will need hula hoops, beanbags, buckets, or poly spots. You can use buckets or poly spots for this game, it doesn't really matter, it's up to you. The setup: the students will be partnered up. They will be facing off for their partner. For example, this person is a partner with this person, and they're partnered up. They'll be working together to score points. There will be hula hoops set up that the students will stand behind. So this represents the hula hoops, and the students will be standing behind their hula hoops. To start out the game, there will be nothing in the hula hoops. They will just be practicing tossing the beanbags back and forth from one person to the other. For example, once this person tosses their beanbag into the hula hoop, this person will pick them up and they will toss them back. So they're practicing on their tossing skills, they're practicing on their aiming. So we're trying to make sure they have proper form, proper technique, they're stepping with the opposite foot when they're tossing the beanbag, things like that. So this is kind of like a warm-up. Once you see that they understand how to properly toss the beanbags and they're showing improvement, you could add in the bucket or the poly spot. So in this picture, we can see that inside the hula hoop there is either a bucket or a poly spot. So this, for example, could be making it a little bit more difficult. So if the other was a little bit easier, you could always make it a little more challenging. So now in this game, what you're going to do is you could say the first team or set of partners to reach 21 points is the winner. So what they'll do is they'll toss their beanbags back and forth and try to ring either the hula hoop or the bucket or poly spot. So if it goes inside the hula hoop, it could be worth 1 point. If it goes inside the bucket or poly spot, it could be worth 2 or 3 points. These are my sources. And there's always ways to modify the game. If it seems too easy, you could always move them further apart. If it seems too hard, you can move them closer together. If the buckets seem too challenging, like I said, you could always use poly spots to just kind of let it land on. If it lands anywhere around the poly spot, barely on it, you could let it count. If it lands on the edge of the hula hoop, that could count also. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this game.